Hi, my name is Anna May, but you could call me Anna. I'm a strong-willed and dedicated professional who's stepping into the world of virtual assistants. My background is in operations management, where I effectively practice customer service, supervision, and the daily business operations. Roles that hone my skills on how to lead with empathy, stay focused on organized, and to deliver consistent results. I've also undergone an excellent mentorship under the VA Capital, where I continue to develop the skills and mindset of an effective virtual assistant. I use tools like Google Workspace, ChatGPT, Gemini, CapCut, Canva, and Notion that provides quality results in every project. I'm also open to new discoveries of tools that would definitely improve business workflows to enhance productivity results. I'm looking forward into this virtual space where I could bring my years of real world experiences, my strong work ethic, and my commitment to help businesses grow. If you're looking for a reliable and proactive virtual assistant who's passionate about growth, quality, and connection, I would love to collaborate with you. Once again, my name is Anna, your soon to be virtual assistant. Bye for now.